morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's the next day now, you see me? After finally reunited. So we're at this Airbnb, like halfway our journey going back home. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give you guys like a little, tour of it. Yeah, so it's really nice, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, bathroom area. Spacious and thing. Yeah. Alright, so.
Hi guys.
Babe right there.
What going on, beautiful people?
Yeah, finally. So yeah guys, it's really nice. We're actually leaving. I would have stayed here one night.
Yeah.
So you guys.
Well, I stayed here 2 nights, but
Yeah.
only just because it's closer for me. But
True. Yeah, so we already have everything packed up and ready to go. You guys, I love the heart on the wall and thing. Real nice Airbnb. One thing I like about these places that I've seen so far, like even Hotel Quarantine, is just the carpet on the floor. I really love that. I don't know if there's Airbnb like that in Jamaica, but I love this style with the carpet instead of being on the tile. For some reason I just love that. Yeah, so it's really nice guys. Let me show you outside guys. Like the view outside is epic. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love with Australia already just because of the view. And it's a bit little chilly outside, but not bad still. Yeah. So this is the view guys. Look at those mountains, those scenery. It's beautiful guys. And I saw some bird in this tree that look almost the same like ball plate, the birds that we have in Jamaica called ball plate, or I think crown pigeon, white crown or something like that. Yeah, a lot of them was in this tree earlier, but yeah guys, it's pretty beautiful. I'm loving it. And Boba here getting annoyed, because I think he wants to go now. You see me? So yeah guys, we arrived here a bit later than expected because we have Little Island and he got a bit frustrated with the drive and thing. But yeah.
Veggie traps out there.
Yeah, some veggies here. I don't know the name of them, but yeah. It's nice.
Spinach. Oh, they're all like greens. They're sort of like callaloo in a sense.
Oh, okay.
Like, yeah, but they're edible. Lettuce as well, like for salads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice, guys. Really nice. I love the fresh air. Hey, guys. So, we're getting ready to go, guys. So, let's go now. It's a road trip. Guys, we just leave the Airbnb now and just,
To do a U-turn now. We're gonna go back.
Yeah, to do a U-turn. But, guys, this is a nice neighborhood, like, seriously. Yeah. Nice neighborhood. You're a nice house up here, let me tell you. You don't want to film anyone though, so in their neighborhood, But look at these houses,
They make different to the ones in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaican ones are more mansion.
Yeah.
Look like these ones are more stylish.
Yeah. They make them look really fancy, like
Real fancy.
look hotel kind of style, like
yeah, like a hotel.
Yeah.
Look at that house up there, like it's a box.
Yeah, that's crazy. These design like, yeah. So this is a upper class neighborhood. Yeah. Nice, man. Wow, look at that view though.
And the ocean all the way.
What?
On the other side, you see it now coming down. conveyancing for sale.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'd be very expensive to buy up here too.
For real. Wow. Look at that view, guys.
That's the ocean over there.
The ocean? Oh yeah, I'm
Straight
just
up.
seeing it. Guys, these designs are crazy. I'm just amazed by the houses, guys. These houses are crazy. Look at these. The designs, yo. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Hey guys. Down the hill we go.
In a sense, like if I could say, these houses are sort of like a gated community
Yeah.
in a sense, but like even though it's not gated.
Yeah.
Like it's more like like an upper class style homes,
Yeah.
but more like people, but not gated. So here, like entertainment wise, what they have is a golf course,
Yeah.
and they have like a bowling club, and they have like their own like restaurants and stuff.
Yeah.
And
Oh, this is the
little
golf right
supermarkets.
there.
This is the golf, yeah.
Yeah, you can tell it's definitely upper class. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to the pharmacy and get him some Panadol. Islands, I think Islands getting a little bit cold, having a bit of a like last night he had a bit of a temperature, guys, and just got to get him some Panadol because I cooled him down last night and Babe gave him a bath this morning, but you know, I think it could be the teething as well, so we're not too sure.
Yeah.
It's not COVID because I haven't been anywhere where there's COVID. I haven't been to any hot spots or anything like that, otherwise we'd be sick too.
True that.
Now I just need to kind of get my Google Maps going because I don't know exactly where.
Okay. What do you call these vans again? Is it RV?
RV, yeah.
Yeah, there's heaps of them, guys.
Yeah.
The RV vans that you can drive around the whole country.
This is a camping site.
Oh, it's a camping site?
Yeah. It looks
Oh.
like it because look, they're camping.
Yeah, for real. It's a camping tent right there.
Mm.
Yeah, so RVs where you can sleep, you have your bathroom, everything. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, obviously most of you know that, but just for the ones that probably don't know. Yeah, so that's amazing, yo. Yeah, there's lots of boats there too. Yeah. There's even one for sale. Probably a lot of them for sale. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. Wow.
Oh, she messaged back. She says, "Thank you, Maria Torren and Ireland. Hopefully, we'll see you again."
Okay. It's amazing. Wow. Guys, everything is just eye opener for me right now. Just don't mind me with my excitement and just, yeah.
Alright, so 4-minute drive.
Remember, I'm not used to this.
Starting route to Foodworks.
I'm just, you know,
Proceed to Blackhead Road. Then
experiencing and exploring this whole new journey of life. This is huge, babe. This is a river. Wow. Look at the bridge. That's huge. What? For real?
Wow, he's on a roll.
Yeah.
Well, go on, Mum, and get Panadol for you, okay?
Yeah, he's awake again.
Because he's drowsed out from the not having Panadol.
Yeah. So this is Tari, like the town center, guys. Yeah, the country town, right? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Ooh, she's sorry enough. The reject shop.
They sell cheapy stuff like $2 stuff and that and that.
Destination is on your
Okay.
left.
So we just stop here for a little time. Gonna have something to eat.
Find somewhere to eat,
Yeah, find somewhere to eat. And yeah, little bubble here, being quiet. Okay, so as the camera turn on, you're ready to smile.
You say hi to all your fans.
Yeah, guys, so that's what's up. So stay tuned. Blessings.
Hey guys, so we just got some sausage rolls, a fresh juice and a cappuccino. You know me, I love my coffee.
This little town is beautiful. Yeah, and that's the river. Look at those cop car guys. Like they look so fancy, yo. Like seriously. Guys, I swear everything just looks different, man.
Different here, huh?
Yeah. Jesus. That's the river, guys. Wow. Been nice to be kayaking. Not gonna show any kids. But yeah. It'd be nice to be kayaking down this. It's huge. This is like the ocean, guys. That's why I see it.
There's someone on a boat there.
And there's kids riding their bikes and things. It's cool to see.
Do you want to get out and sit on the bench there or sit in the car?
Does it have cool shade?
No, not really.
We just stay in the car then.
Alright, how about just to give you some cool shade, I might move because you want
Yeah,
to walk up
yeah.
the sun right there.
Yeah.
An island fully up the sun.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving these places. Nice place, man. Yeah. Family friendly, you know?
We can't park here, babe. Look, there's no parking.
There be a passion. Question. Don't get the answer. Bless your body with holy water. Give me everything, no quarter. Rich in nature, filled with flavor. Rich in nature. With me, we never be crying. Never be crying.
So we make a quick little stop. So this is a rest area. So this is like all over Australia, I guess. Where yeah, we just drive off the main road, and yeah. So there's even bathroom and everything there. You have tables and stuff here. Yeah, that's that highway out there. So yeah, guys, we have to go now. Island been a little bit, you know. Yeah, been crying a lot. I guess the driving getting to him. But we just wanna get to him now, you know. We still have like 4 hours to go, so catch you on the road, guys.
Hi guys. Well, we still got roughly about 2 hours, and I think it was like 2 hours and 40 minutes. So guys, Island's been really unsettled on this trip home with Babe. Like, you know, so Babe's had to go to the back with him, and you know, I know that you know, Island is our first priority, though I'm not gonna lie, last night I didn't sleep very well. I haven't slept well for the last 2 nights, only because I'm not used to sleeping, you know, away like in strange areas. It's so weird me saying that, but yeah, and obviously just wanted to make sure Babe got out all right and all that sort of stuff. So, but you know, we're still here and, you know, just driving and taking it easy and things. So we've got about 2 hours and some minutes to go. Thinking of just stopping off at the beach, you know, just to have a little bit of a breather and rest, I guess. Yeah, driving does make you tired when you're driving so many hours, guys. Keep in mind it was like an 8-hour drive. Stopover obviously, but then 4 hours there, 4 hours stop, and then keep going. Anyways, that's what it is. So we're just driving Coffs Harbour. For all the Australian people that have been to Australia know Coffs Harbour. It's a very big tourist destination out here. So many, it's the capital of the bananas.
So you want to tell the people where we're at, baby?
We're at Jetty Beach in Coffs Harbour. It's freezing cold, guys.
Yeah, guys, so why we're doing this right now, guys, the audio gonna be really bad, so what we're gonna do is just give you guys some scenery and stuff like that. So I hope y'all enjoy. It's very cold right now, guys, and very windy, so hope you guys enjoy the view. All right, stay tuned. Hey Bobo, Island. Hi. Hi. So cute. Bobo in the sun. Yeah, guys.
Go, come on.
Yay. Woo. Take your time. Alright. Yeah. Dog. Bobo touching the ocean, guys. The water is cold. Hey Bobo. Hey Bobo. Ooh. Ooh.
Ah, it's cold! Oh my god, it's cold! Oh, yeah, la la la!
Oh, those guys do that. They must have on a suit or something.
Yeah, they must have one of those wetsuits.
Yeah. That is their goal.
Woo.
It's beautiful out here, man. Yeah. On our way home with us, make a stop.
This way, come on. Setting bay, I'm gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you.
Ah, he's gonna get you. Bring him up this way, baby. Oh wow, that's really big, the wharf down there. Maybe we can see what those guys are fishing over there.
Where?
Right down the end of the wharf there. So guys, it's just a little pathway. We're walking onto the, did you say the dock?
Yeah, to get on the dock.
Get on the dock?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
And we're here trying to get holding on to Bobo because
Yeah.
otherwise
Unruly.
he wants to be unruly. True that.
Bikers.
He wants to be cheeky. Cheeky boy.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, look, it's over there, all the yachts are.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even realize.
I've never been here, so this is my first time too.
I've been epic to fly a drone.
Yeah, for sure.
But we'll...
I wonder what that wall over there is.
Oh.
Straight ahead. Island and Daddy.
My two favorite people. Hey Bobo, take your time, take your time. Take your time. Hey, that wind is strong, eh? Alright guys, so we're just about to leave this place now. Yeah, it was nice, really cold and windy, but I love the vibes, you know, just checking out the beach and the scenery. It's beautiful. You know, they even have a gym, like I was saying to be like these things. I don't know if it is, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I've never seen a gym in Jamaica like for free. You can just on the beach, you know what I mean? You can work out and all of that. So it's really amazing, you know? It's really amazing. Lots of surfing, you can do fishing, all of that, you know? And I think it's because of COVID now why it's not more, you know, packed. Yeah, so yeah guys, it's nice. It was very windy, so probably most of this would just have to be like, you know, some scenery kind of shots with some music over it and thing. But I hope you enjoy this, you know. So yeah, heading home now. We have like what, 2 hours to go,
something like that. Yep.
Yeah, so yeah, stick around guys. I hope you're enjoying this road trip. It's different, but I hope you are enjoying it. And yeah, make sure to like this video,
big ups,
drop a comment.
Yep.
And if you're new, make sure
subscribe.
Let's go though. We're still at the beach area, just showing you guys the view of this place. Yeah, heaps well, it seems like they're more fishing boats. It looks like it.
Yeah.
Like they're trawler. They call them like trawler boats.
Wait, swim with the whales. Whale watching as well.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Fishing daily charters.
Wow.
They do charters and that.
Amazing.
Wow. We can buy fish, Fisherman's coop.
Yeah. This place is sick. Yeah, those are some trawler boats, like commercial fishermen.
Wow.
Oh, and these are the yachts. Yeah, there's yachts around this side more.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. It's really a nice view.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice, guys.
That must be a big company.
Yeah.
To have all the fishing.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, guys. Oh. It's nice, man.
Can't wait to go fishing and catch some fish and grill them on the barbecue.
That's gonna be a vibe.
Buy a little barbecue on the side. That would be awesome.
That's gonna be a vibe, man. Hey guys, so leaving this place, you know.
Yeah. Jetty Beach.
Oh, see banana tree, guys.
This Coffs Harbour is the biggest
Oh,
for bananas.
banana trees over there, guys.
Big banana right there.
Yeah, the big banana. Okay. They produce their own banana and thing.
Yep. And they sell it to like major, like you know, like Woolies and Coles and big supermarkets.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's more tropical this side.
It's more tropical Coffs Harbour, yeah.
Okay.
But if you want tropical, you have to go up Queensland ways, Brisbane, further up, yeah, Sunshine Coast.
Yeah.
They grow coconuts there and yeah, all that sort of stuff.
Cool.
Dogs race here. It's a dog racing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And horses too. Actually, in November they have like the horse races here and everyone gets dressed fancy and drinks too much wine and then they walk out with no high heels on. That's what they do.
Okay. So yeah guys, we're in Casino now. This is Babe Town. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're here guys, finally.
I'll show you. This is an old house too. We're just looking at the old houses, guys. Like, that's a really old house.
It's old.
That's out of boards and everything. Made out of boards.
Yeah.
I actually been inside that house once.
Really?
Yeah, I used to deliver catalogs.
Oh.
When I first moved in here, I used to deliver catalogs and I used to earn like a profit.
What is catalogs?
Like magazines.
Okay.
Magazines at people's letterboxes and they make an order to buy products and then I'll go back and pick up the order. And I went in there, the lady invited me in her house. She's an elderly lady.
Yeah.
She's like 80 or something.
Oh.
Anyway, I tell you, it was amazing seeing her living there. It looks old from outside, but not as bad on the inside.
Inside looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, this is a park. Skate park is on that side there. It's a dirt one as well. There's a dirt one there as well, yeah. You can have barbecues here and things as well.
So this is gonna be my little town now, guys. Welcome to Casino.
Welcome to Casino, babe.
Yeah.
This is it for the time being.
Yeah, man. This is home now, guys.
This is home. This is home. And to go to the beach, you go that way.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to come up a Richmond River. I knew it was Richmond River. Here I'm going, no, it's not, I don't know, it's Richmond River. Yeah, it's Richmond River.
Yeah.
And this is, you can fish there. People swimming here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can swim there. People fish in there as well. I don't think they're edible though. And
Really?
they're doing a new swimming pool. That's where we used to swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a swimming pool complex. Now it's going to be a warm watered one and an outdoor one. So it's going to be really nice actually.
So why do you think the fish are not edible?
I mean,
Is it polluted
you can eat it. The catfish and stuff, I don't really like that. But
Oh.
for those who like catfish, I mean, by all means, you're going to find a lot of that in there. Sometimes you might come across some, like, I don't know, but Richmond River meets with the ocean somewhere. I don't know.
Okay.
But we had a massive flood, right? A couple of years ago, and we had a lot of dead fish from the ocean come through, and they were floating up on the river because they can't live in the river water.
Okay.
I don't know exactly what happened there, but something went wrong. So
Yeah.
there you go.
Cool. Interesting.
So this is where I used to work. This is Richmond Lodge, an aged care facility. I used to work here. That's the place.
All right. Yeah.
Richmond Lodge. Yeah.
Okay.
And the mango trees.
Yeah, mango trees.
Yeah. Welcome, babe. Oh my God, this is so surreal, guys. Ah, he's here. He's here.
Finally.
Yay!
Oh my goodness.
I'm so happy.
We did it, baby.
We did it, babe. Mwah. Mwah. Such a long road, such a long trip. Let's feel the heat outside. Let's turn this off and see if it's hot or what.
It's not bad.
Too bad.
No, it's not bad. The wind is cool and the sun is a bit warm. It has a balance.
So that's a train station to catch a train to Brisbane or to Sydney.
Okay.
Either way, yeah.
Oh, wow, this truck.
Yeah.
Sick. Yeah, guys. Yeah, mango tree. It even blossom, full of blossom.
Yeah, full of fruit. It's Christmas time soon. It's going to be full of them.
Wow. Nice, guys.
And Casino Hospital on your left-hand side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay.
Casino
Nice.
Hospital. So if you're ever unwell, you can come here.
Yeah.
I've brought Ireland there a few times.
Oh, nice.
And this here is a post office. You can pick up stuff and buy things there, like a little news agency shop.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice place, man. Seem very quiet, so you can tell.
Yeah, very quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, Jesus! That's so cool. Yay!
Tell you, man.
Baby's home, everybody.
We did it.